Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change Windows 11 language from Chinese to English. Type Xi in Windows search bar, click settings icon. Click time symbol. Click second options. Click add language. Type English. Select India or any other. Click last option. Select second tab, click first option. Check two options. Select newly installed language. Click Sinua. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.